Okay, good morning everyone. Karon kay tudlon ta mo unsahon pag-create og graduation pictorial or what do you call that? So, I have my Photoshop here. First ng imong iandamon of course imong mga pictures. Alright, imong mga raw. So, first akong buhaton is nakoy raw diri. Okay. Let's say nakoy raw nga picture diri, let's say kanila. Alright, muna akong raw atong tangtangon ng background and all. So what is the easiest way? So ang first nimong buhaton kay adto kag Google Chrome. Alright, then search nimo remove background remover. Alright, so once you are on that screen, go to this website and then click upload image. After you do that, look for that picture na inyong raw. Alright. Say, I'll choose this one. Okay. So, after na, mo generate siya, then mo remove siya sa background niya. Okay, there. After that, you click on download. Okay, nana siya dari. So, ang sunod naman button is open your Photoshop and then look for background sa say background pictorial HD. There. And after that, select whichever background you wanted. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, save this. There, save this. There. After that, we want to make sure that whenever we print the output, it should be our desired size. So as for me, I wanted to have it on a short bond paper, or yeah, so short bond paper. So that's letter. So what I do is Photoshop file, new, and then go to default Photoshop. I know, US paper, and then letter. Letter means short. Then click OK. Make sure resolution is 300. And after that, that is your short bond paper. So whenever you print it, it's going to be you imagine it as the size of a short bond paper. So you want it to frame it, then that's okay. Next, you have to click on File, then Open, then look for that background you downloaded. This one, right? So we want this to be transferred to our bond paper since we don't know what's the size for that. So we click on right click here, the layer, and then click duplicate layer. The destination should be on the untitled one. Untitled one is at the top here. After that, see, so it's a lot smaller. So for it to be transformed, you press Ctrl T on your keyboard. That's transform. Hold Shift, then you drag it down below. Alright. So you will do it like that, and then you press enter. So you already have the canvas. Okay, so next we have to put in here the picture. So you put in their file, open, then look for that remove background. Okay, this is the output of that background remover. Then once you have in this, right click here, then duplicate layer. Then you select the untitled one and click OK. After that, so it's very small. So again, press Ctrl T, then hold Shift, then drag it down at the bottom. Okay, and then you resize it according to your desired size. There, then press enter. Then once you're okay with that, right, you can edit the picture as well. You can click on image and then adjustment. You can do auto tone, okay, or yeah, auto tone is good, or auto contrast, right? If you want it nga brighter, you can click an image and then adjustments and brightness. This one, okay, you make it lighter. All right, and click OK. After that, you're good with that. Of course, you can always put in here some watermarks if you want it to be personalized. As for me, I want it to be personalized. So I'll click on File and Open. I'll look for my Mabolo National High School here. Yeah, Mabolo National High School logo. Right click, duplicate layer, titled 1. Okay, there. And I'll press Control T. Then I'll drag it down here at the bottom. There. And you can put in there, type some text there, like this one. And click T. And type in there Mabolo National High School. Right? So if it's, if it's really big, you can have it smaller. There. I'm gonna do this and like that. There. So you already have a signature, right? Okay, so that's it. Click on File and Save As, and save it. I'll save it on the desktop. Say trial 1. Format should be JPEG. There, save. So if you want to get a copy of my Photoshop, this is just CS4, so it's portable, so you don't have to install it in your PC. It's just a matter of copy pasting it through my USB, and then just double click on it and you can use it right away. Okay, no need to install, so it will not cost you more on your hard drive. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you like my video here, and please subscribe if you wanted to get to have these kinds of tutorials, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.